Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. This is our project title is Network Performance Evaluation of Latest Windows Operating Systems. Network performance evaluation of 3 latest versions of Windows OS, namely Windows XP, Windows Vista and Windows 7 is conducted. Network performance measurements were obtained with TATG tool. TATG means Distributed Internet Traffic Generator on a 2 identical computer systems connected with 1 Gbps Ethernet crossover cable. Following metrics were measured with OWD. OWD means one-way delay and RTT means round trip time meters. Delay, jitter, throughput and CPU usage with OWD meter. Performance of TCP protocol was measured when generating DNS-like traffic. Performance of UDP protocol was measured when generating 2 gaming traffic patterns and 1 VoIP call. With RTT meter, performance of TCP and UDP protocols was measured for different packet sizes and exponential distribution of inter-departure time. Both TCP and UDP were running over the IPv4 and IPv6 respectively. The results show that network traffic with smaller packet sizes would benefit from Windows Vista and Windows 7. However, network traffic with bigger packet sizes still has the best performance in Windows XP. Let us see our data flow diagram. We can start the process. Performance measurement. Performance measurements we have to separate two types, OWD meter and RTT meter. OWD meter one-way delay and RTT meter round trip time. So OWD meter delay is a common term in IP network monitoring and differs from RTT. The pink utility calculates the RTT time to go and come back to a host. This does not assure. The RTT meter round trip delay time in telecommunications. So CB range. CB range will be a change in running time process. It calculates the range of CBO. So delay range. Delay range one file to transmit at the same time the file cannot be sent to traffic should occur. That file not sent to. How will that delay occur to calculate? So finally the process is analysis process. Let us see our project demo is. We can see our main page of our project. So to click on the next button, we can see that performance measurement, network type, network status, signal status, network speed, coverage strength, signal irregularity, data identification and network identification. Click the signal strength button. Whatever network interface card number, serial port number, it is used in your system. So displayed here. So network status true. So we have our system line connection should be unconnected. So network status displayed in true. So it doesn't connected, displayed in false status. So signal status false. Network speed 1000 Mbps. So how will get your system network 37009 kbps? How will get your coverage process right here. So signal irregularity, data identification and network identification displayed here. So click on the signal analysis button. To click on the initial network, so we have the networking can change. So click on the QoS networking bitrate. So networking sample rate 655. It depends upon networking speed. So click on the network sample rate 881. Depends upon the networking speed time. So click on the data button. We can see in the signal irregularity in displayed here. So click on the next button. So performance and networking type. The performance button. So we have to separate in 2 types. So bytes and network. Click on the bytes button. Whatever type of the network adapter it is to your system, so displayed in your combo box. So your IP addresses so displayed here. So 192.168.0.17. So the operation status up. So depends upon the LAN connections. So networking type in your system, in whatever type of the upload and download you have to process in your system. So bytes changed here. So to click on the network button, so we can see overview of the our monitoring system. So to click on the overview button, so we can see in CPU ranges and disk ranges and network ranges and memory ranges. So to click on this, depend upon the running process in CPU. So to click on the memory button, the hardware reserved 39 MB, in use 942 MB, in modified 1 MB, standby 36 MB, and free and 2 MB. So available 42 MB and cache 37 MB, total 985 MB, install 1000. So can be changed in disk activity chart. So click on the network button. So we can see the network activity. We can see the overview of the monitoring of our system. So to click on the network type button, so we have to separate in 3 buttons: connection, CV range, and client. Click on the connection button. So local area connection, VMware network adapter type, so VMnet 11. So our load combo displayed here. So whatever type of the LAN connection it is used in your system, so displayed in our combo box. So local area connection, I have to select in local area connections. So network information, network name, local area connection, device name Realtek, adapter type Ethernet 802.3, and MAC address, and your IP address displayed here: 192.168.0.17, subnet mask 255.255.255.0, default gateway 192.168.0.1, connection status connected. It doesn't connect in your LAN connections, so connection status not connected displayed. So click on the CV ranges. CV ranges, the current CV usage is displayed here. It depends upon the running process in CPU. So you can use in your systems. Can change in you can change in CPU usages in increase and decrease. So to click on the client button, so performance analysis path. So to select the any text files or image files. So to click on the find path, I have to select one image files. So I have to select one image files. So I have to enter in my IP address 192.168.0.17. So to click on the graph button, so network adapter type, whatever type of the network adapter is in your systems, to click to show on our combo box. For that, running process in our server. To click on the send button, we can see the file started. We can see the server button, data has been received. Any images are download or upload, so we can see the received packets, it should be increased. Depends upon networking performance, or files are download or upload, we can see graph are changed. The graph it should be increased in received packet, and captured packet it should be increased. Thank you.